Anyways, I'm here at Reynaldo's Bakery in Carpinteria, California, and this bakery has the most exciting display for, I can't even say it, Dia de los Muertos, and I have the man who's the owner of the store, and he's going to tell me a little bit about how long he's been doing it and all that stuff. And here he is. Muy bien. A poquito caliente. Senorita. Call me a backbone, just a rabbit trap. I'm just a gypsy. Wow. Travel the country, my foot and my tree. They have a job that keeps me in. I've no freedom like you'll never know. No lie. Hi Jose, how long have you been doing this in your restaurant?
We've been doing it 35 years.
35 years. And I bet you have a big following.
Well, it started slow, but eventually over the years, yeah.
And this occurs all over Mexico, right?
Yeah, it's a big tradition. Big tradition down in the Latin countries.
Yeah. Been to Mexico a few times. Loved it. Oh, they do it in South America? Wow. Anything else you'd like to share?
It's been growing here in popularity in the States. A lot more Latinos, and they're doing the traditional thing, and we're trying to get everybody involved in it, in doing the traditional thing, and to remember the people that passed on. Make it a day for them to celebrate them.
Wow. Yeah, I'm a Lithuanian, and there is one day that us Lithuanians go and we eat at the grave.
Right.
We go there and we eat a special meal.
Right, it's just like that. Remembering them.
That's excellent. Wow.
That person particularly liked it.
Oh.
So, if that person was a drinker, you take like a bottle of whatever their best drink.
Mezcal.
Whatever it was. Their
Pulque. What if it was pulque?
Yeah.
Would you drink?
Yeah, you try to get that and try to remember them that way. Take chocolates, take
Menudo.
menudo.
Let's say you love menudo.
Yeah.
You're gonna be eating some menudo.
So bring back good memories.
Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel. And you are
I'm the owner, Joe Cardenas.
Joe Cardenas. So if you're here in Carpinteria, you have around the main street. You meet Joe. This won't be up, but next year at this time. Muchas gracias.
Nada.